Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, 2 more actions. For these actions, you have to prepare the image. As can be seen by dimensioning up this image. It is 6000 pixels by 4000 pixels. We need 3000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Crop up or resize the image. Go to Image, then choose Image Size. Make width of image 3000 pixels and height 2000 pixels. Resolution 72 pixels per inch, and hit OK. Download link of both these actions is in description. You can download and enjoy. So the first action is Pro Oil Effect. Activate the 4cc and play the action. No brushes will be required for this action. As with previous actions, specific brushes were required. But these 2 actions do not require any special brushes. When the action is complete, the image will change to Oil Paint Effect. There are 3 types of effects, one of which is the Effect Look 1. Or else this, Effect Look 2 or Effect Look 3. There is group of adjustments that you want to use. There is a group of 10 colors, that is if you want to keep the up image in a single color. That is, whoever suits the color up can keep it. So, whether you want to keep the color up or not, then this is your original image. And with this action, this image is converted into an oil paint effect. So, now we look at the second action. This is a pencil sketch action. Play Me has to be activated. And the action has to be played. And dimension of image should be 3000 pixels by 2000 pixels. This will create layers, as well as arrange them into groups. And will convert this image into a pencil sketch. And this image turned into a pencil sketch. In this you will find a group of 2 textures. It is up to you whether you want to apply them on image or not. There is a group of adjustments and a group of 10 colors. If you want to apply on a single color on image, you can. And here is your original image. And after converting to a pencil sketch, the image turned out like this. The download link is in the description. You can download it and use it. Actions are meant to facilitate work. You can use these actions to make the job easier. I hope you like this video, and actions up. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.